Hi dears, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all doing good. Finding probability is simple but little confusing thing, isn't it? I will share a simple method for it. Let's consider a dice. When we throw the dice, there will be 6 possible outcomes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is known to everyone. When we throw 2 dice simultaneously, the total outcomes will be 36. When we throw 3 dice, the total outcomes will be 216. The simple way to calculate this is, for 1 dice equals to 6 raised to 1, that is equals to 6. For 2 dice equals to 6 raised to 2, that is equals to 36. For 3 dice equals to 6 raised to 3, that is equals to 216. Like this, if we consider a coin, it has 2 parts. Hence, for 1 coin equals to 2 raised to 1, that is equals to 2. For 2 coins equals to 2 raised to 2, that is equals to 4, will be the total outcomes.